Hey everyone, if Vivaldi browser has no sound in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step methods to fix audio problems and get sound working again. First, sound problems usually happen because of muted tabs, Windows audio settings, disabled permissions, browser bugs, or extension conflicts. Start by checking whether the tab is muted. Right-click the tab and make sure it isn't muted. Next, check your computer's volume settings. Yeah, make sure Vivaldi isn't muted in the Windows volume mixer. Open another website like YouTube and see if sound works there. This helps determine if the problem is site-specific. Sometimes a simple restart fixes temporary audio bugs. Yeah, close Vivaldi completely and open it again. Extensions such as ad blockers or audio tools may interfere with sound. Disable them temporarily and test again. Corrupted browser data can also affect media playback. Yeah, clearing cache and cookies often fixes sound problems. Hardware acceleration may sometimes cause audio and video issues. Turn it off in settings and restart the browser. Make sure you're running the latest version of Vivaldi. Yeah, updates often include fixes for media playback bugs. If sound is missing everywhere, restart the Windows audio service or reboot your computer. If nothing works, reset Vivaldi settings to default. This can fix corrupted settings causing audio problems. For the best experience, keep Vivaldi updated and avoid installing too many media-related extensions. A common mistake is forgetting that Vivaldi can be muted separately inside the Windows volume mixer. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Vivaldi browser sound not working in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.